Hi everyone, and welcome to this video, Domestic Violence, Foreign National but Not Without Rights. How do I get out of this situation? Your rights do not depend on your partner, your marital status, married or paxed, or your nationality. Even if you have a foreign nationality in France, you have rights. For example, to divorce and to enroll your children in school. We would like to remind you that you are not alone in your experience of domestic violence. That any woman, whatever her economic and social status or profession, can be a victim of domestic violence. How can we ensure our rights are respected? We're going to respond to that question by giving you some practical ways to understand and take action. You can complain to the police to bring criminal charges against your partner, called porter plainte in French. Bring complaint in literal translation. Where? At the police station or gendarmerie of your choice. You can do this with or without any official papers or evidence. Please note that your partner is responsible for his violent and threatening actions towards you. Domestic violence is forbidden under French law. When you make your police statement, you'll be able to tell them about everything you've been through. The police station or gendarmerie will then refer you to the EMJ, the Legal Medical Service. It is very important to go to that appointment. You will see a doctor. He or she will examine you and take note of any physical injuries as well as psychological stress and or evidence of sexual violence. A medical certificate will be delivered for the investigation with the number of days of incapacity the violence and abuse is estimated to have caused you. The ITT, Incapacité temporaire de travail. You can ask for a copy of your complaint, your police statement, in order to keep a form of written proof of the violence in your possession. For your safety, it is important not to inform your partner or husband of these steps you have taken. Are you not yet able to speak very good French? Are you worried you won't be able to make yourself understood? Please don't worry. You have the right to access an interpreter in your language. In any case, after a violent incident, it's important to have your injuries examined and recorded by a doctor or by going to the emergency department in the first hospital you can get to and obtaining a medical certificate. So how do we access crisis accommodation or temporary shelter? You want to leave, but you don't know what to do. You have the right to leave your home and access crisis accommodation. It's important to prepare your departure in advance with one of the community agencies known in French as association, which can assist you to navigate available options depending on your specific situation and resources. Do you need to get out quickly? In this situation, you can ring 115 in French for access to a crisis shelter. This is the homeless number. It's important to tell the 115 service that you are a victim of domestic violence. In this type of situation, it's always best to go and tell the police off the record by doing a main courante, a report with no criminal complaint brought, so your partner is not informed. Tell the police that you're leaving your partner and the family home because of domestic violence. You have the right to leave your relationship and move out, irrespective of your nationality and immigration status. You do not have to tell the police an address or where you're intending to go. In any case, you can seek out the support of one of the specialist domestic violence services called association in French to assist you in getting to safety and prepare your complaint to the police to bring charges against your partner. A domestic violence service will also help you through the judicial processes, family and criminal courts. We provide you with other relevant information in our first video, Domestic Violence, Foreign National but Not Without Rights. Am I a victim of domestic violence? And in the third video, Domestic Violence, foreign national but not without rights. Can I stay in France? Nothing justifies violence. The violence is not your fault. Please don't try to cope alone. You can ring 3919 and visit the website Solidarité Femmes, which means Women's Solidarity or Women Supporting Women. We hope that this video has been useful to you.